This is me enjoying my neck massager. Looks nice, right? But up until last week, this thing was completely dead. The problem was this power spur gear, connected to the massage pulley through another part, which was also totally broken. So I measured everything and redesigned the broken parts in Fusion 360. Getting the dimensions right was honestly the biggest challenge here, especially for the spur gear part. If you want to see the full design process and how I modeled this step by step, let me know in the comments. Here is the freshly printed part. Removing the supports was not fun at all. It took way more effort than I expected. After some sanding and a bit of cleanup, it finally started to look right. And here it is, the original broken piece next to the 3D printed replacement that's about to bring this thing back to life. Time to put everything back into the massager. I also lubricated all of the moving parts just to make sure the whole mechanism runs smoothly and doesn't complain again anytime soon. After that, I connected everything exactly how it was. And yes, no parts left over. And we're back where we started, just enjoying the neck massager. Fully working finally, and honestly worth the effort. If you like quick DIY fixes or bigger projects, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.